The journey of every popcorn kernel, dawn begins here, in fields grown for precision, destined for the factory.
Behind every bag lies a world of engineering, craftsmanship, and dedication. Every journey begins with a single seed. Across acres of farmland, each row contributes to the factory's daily rhythm. Harvesting is engineered for precision, a perfect feed for factory efficiency.
Modern machines harvest with accuracy, ensuring the factory receives only premium kernels.
Organic corn waste is collected separately and used for compost or livestock feed. From soil to shipment al hecho, each movement is part of a larger system. With the fields behind, the kernels now head toward the heart of production. From open fields to paved routes, the kernels begin their journey to industry. Large-scale distribution ensures the factory never stops running. Across highways, efficiency and timing are crucial to factory demand. As the facility appears on the horizon, the true transformation is about to begin. Air jets remove field dust, preparing kernels for deeper sanitation. Uniform size matters. It guarantees consistent popping later. Every falling kernel is already entering the first phase of its industrial journey. In the next stage, water takes over to cleanse every surface.
Pressurized water strikes each kernel, removing impurities.
As the kernels flow, the factorial supply chain begins to form a center, one grain at a time. Each batch must meet strict moisture requirements to pop efficiently. Unpopped kernels are isolated and rejected instantly. Before a kernel ever reaches the factory, strict moisture checks begin here. Ultraviolet light destroys microorganisms, ensuring total safety. A hardness test ensures kernels withstand processing while popping properly. Moisture level is the heart of popcorn. Too little or too much, and the batch is rejected. Kernel dimensions are recorded to ensure proper expansion during the popping stage. Any batch that falls short is immediately removed from production. In the polishing drum, every kernel gets smoothed and brightened for perfect shine. Even here, quality control starts early to match factory standards.
The kernels are freed from field packaging, ready for industrial handling.
Once loaded, these kernels take the road toward their transformation.
Every pallet is tracked, ensuring perfect traceability when it reaches the factory.
Each mile brings the raw grain closer to precision engineering. With harvest complete, the cargo prepares for its first journey toward processing. In this factory, even byproducts become resources, ensuring a sustainable popcorn production cycle.
Here, strict processes take over. Every grain is handled with scientific precision.
As the doors open, the raw material meets controlled industrial conditions. From transport to treatment to lean, The cleaning phase begins immediately. A river of kernels flows into the first stage of processing. Now purified, the kernels enter a zone of controlled preparation. Fully cleaned, the kernels move toward their transformation stage. Controlling moisture is essential. Too much or too little changes the pop. From cleanliness to precision shaping, and now, the journey continues. Even small differences in shape determine how each kernel performs. Vibration technology ensures even distribution for efficient cleaning. Balanced and sorted, the kernels move closer to their dramatic transformation. Only the most uniform kernels continue forward into production. Smart sensors inspect every grain, rejecting anything below standard.
Humidity is balanced to create the perfect internal pressure.
This chamber prepares kernels for the rapid expansion to come. Heated evenly, the kernels now enter the critical transformation stage. Once sealed, the kernels are surrounded by intense heat. With preparation complete, the kernels reach the heart of the process, the moment they will become popcorn. A gentle rise in temperature activates the kernel's inner starch. Heat builds rapidly, driving moisture deep inside each kernel. In bursts of energy, thousands of kernels become popcorn in seconds. This is the moment priming. Expansion at 20 times its original size.
Once popped, the hot popcorn spills outward, ready for cooling.
A delicate mist allows seasonings to cling uniformly. A final brush ensures each kernel is polished and ready. Next, precision flavoring systems prepare to coat each piece. Inside the intake hall, each machine plays a vital part in preparation. The warmed kernels now enter high-pressure chambers built for explosive expansion. Bubbling ensures that every piece cools evenly.
Cooling airflow stabilizes the popcorn, preserving crispness.
Popcorn color is checked to maintain uniformity across every bag.
Expansion ratio determines how large and fluffy each popped kernel becomes.
In the rotating drum, every piece receives its final perfect flavor.
Texture, size, and aroma are inspected to guarantee perfect batches.
Technicians monitor every degree to maintain perfect pre-pop conditions. With rising pressure, each kernel becomes a tiny pressure vessel.
The unloading zone marks the first step inside the popcorn factory ecosystem.
With the cargo secured, the supply chain moves into motion. Excess oil and seasoning are directed into a controlled waste line for proper treatment. Quality control integrates multiple systems to ensure perfection. Filtered oil is safely stored for transport to biodiesel production plants. Byproducts are classified and moved into separate channels for specialized recycling.
Inside the cyclone chamber, dust particles spiral downward and separate naturally. Fine dust removed during cleaning and popping is captured through high-efficiency air filtration systems. Some leftover corn material is ground into feed-grade powder for agricultural use.
Once inside, every kernel enters a controlled environment designed for purity. Automation speeds unloading while maintaining integrity of each kernel. In this section of the popcorn factory, every byproduct is carefully collected and transformed into valuable resources. The accepted popcorn now undergoes digital inspection. Only consistent, uniform popcorn continues toward packaging. Precise air pulses remove anything that falls short of quality.
Every batch is weighed to exact specifications for packaging.
Multiple cameras scan each piece for the slightest imperfection.
Technicians ensure the system removes only true defects. With quality confirmed, the popcorn moves forward for packing. A human final check guarantees absolute reliability. Funnels guide the popcorn with zero contamination risk.
Each portion is electronically weighed to guarantee consistent serving size across every packaged popcorn bag.
Advanced vision systems capture thousands of images per second to detect any imperfect pieces. Everything converges toward the main packaging corridor for final processing.
Popcorn moves into inspection, where both humans and machines work together to ensure every kernel meets standard.
The holding tank keeps the popcorn fresh and evenly mixed before packing. With quality confirmed, the popcorn now enters the state-of-the-art packaging line.
Laser-guided sensors detect shape, size, and color instantly.
Multiple vibrating screens separate popcorn by size and consistency. Now the popcorn enters the precision flavor drum, where every kernel gets perfectly coated.
The first refinement stage removes anything that doesn't meet factory standards.
Dry seasoning follows, creating the iconic movie-style taste. A rich caramel blend is added at a controlled temperature to create the signature glossy coating. The coated popcorn travels over vibration belts, ensuring even distribution. Each batch is tested for texture, crispness, and the perfect flavor profile. The popcorn drops into stainless hoppers that feed each packaging machine.
Once approved, the popcorn flows into the packaging system.
The polished popcorn is now ready for final inspection before packaging. Rows of automated mixers prepare different flavors with exact consistency. A cyclone separator removes any excess powder, keeping the flavor perfectly balanced.
Each chamber releases its portions simultaneously for consistent filling.
Plastic trims from the packaging line are also collected for recycling. Aeration tanks help separate impurities and clean the water for reuse.
Water used during cleaning enters the treatment system for purification.
Digital scales confirm portion accuracy down to the gram. Precision filling ensures each bag receives the exact amount of popcorn without waste or overflow. Freshly popped kernels cascade into the bags with gentle precision. These sealed samples are kept for reference and internal auditing.
To guarantee safety, every batch passes through metal detection and X-ray screening.
High-temperature sealing locks in flavor, aroma, and shelf life. High-speed air jets open each bag perfectly for filling. The filled bags travel toward the sealing machine. Air is extracted to maintain freshness and create the iconic pillow-shaped popcorn pack. Each bag is stamped with a unique code for full traceability. Automated printers add batch codes and expiry dates with micro-accuracy. Heat sealing bars lock in freshness with airtight precision. Robotic applicators position each label with millimeter precision.
After cooling, every pack moves forward for labeling and printing.
Any pack that doesn't meet the strict standard is instantly removed from the line. In the packaging hall, technology prepares each portion for the world. Air is removed to keep every bag tight, fresh, and shelf-stable. The popcorn arrives at retail sorting facilities for final placement. Automated scanners inspect every bag, ensuring perfect sealing and reliable quality. Metal detection safeguards the final product before it reaches the world.
Every pack receives a unique batch code for full traceability and quality assurance. Multiple lanes work in harmony to meet massive production demands.
Pressure rollers ensure every label sticks cleanly and firmly. With quality confirmed, the popcorn moves to its final transformation, packaging. Any faulty bag is automatically removed from the line. Approved bags advance to the next stage, cartoning, and boxing. Automated air jets open each bag, preparing it for the popcorn filling. Robotic grippers lift each carton with exact force and placement. Heated sealing jaws lock in freshness with a perfect airtight seal. Any pack that doesn't meet standards is instantly removed.
Each sealed edge is inspected to ensure there are no leaks.
Before any batch can be packaged, it must pass through the most critical checkpoint, 11, the Quality Control Lab.
Controlled environments simulate months of storage to ensure longevity. A human final check guarantees absolute reliability. Trained technicians handle each sample with strict hygiene and precision.
The aroma profile helps maintain the signature flavor audiences love.
The cooking oil used to pop the kernels is analyzed for clarity, purity, and stability.
Tests confirm the batch is free from harmful chemicals or additives.
Data analysis gives a complete picture of each batch's performance. Only batches that meet every requirement receive final approval. Skilled operators supervise the automated system to maintain quality. The popcorn now enters the automated packaging corridor.
All quality data is monitored live to maintain perfect standards.
Advanced software tracks freshness, location, and batch history. Robotic packers prepare sturdy cartons for bulk shipment. The packaged cartons now reach the automated palletizing zone. The freshly sealed popcorn packs now arrive at the automated labeling zone. A second weight check ensures not 1 gram more, not 1 gram less. Robotic packing systems ensure speed, accuracy, and uniform arrangement inside every carton.
Each pallet is tightly wrapped to protect the popcorn during long-distance distribution.
Automated palletizers build stable, space-efficient stacks for transport.
Each carton is filled with a precise number of packaged popcorn bags.
A fast sealing unit closes every box, locking the product inside. Barcodes allow the system to track every box through shipping. The sealed cartons move forward to the warehouse distribution zone.
A final weight check ensures each box contains the correct number of popcorn packs.
Reusable cartons are sorted and stored for internal transport use.
Automated taping securely closes each carton, preparing it for shipment.
High-speed taping machines seal the cartons securely.
Robotic palletizers arrange boxes efficiently for stable and safe transportation.
The cartons are stacked into perfectly stable layers. A high-speed wrapping system secures each pallet for transport. Each pallet is scanned and logged into the digital inventory system.
Every pallet is scanned once more to confirm its delivery destination.
Fully wrapped pallets move onward to long-term storage.
Workers and robots ensure a stable and efficient loading pattern.
From the warehouse, the popcorn is now prepared for nationwide distribution.
With packaging complete, the popcorn is ready for storage and distribution.
From here, the popcorn is organized and sent to supermarkets, cinemas, and wholesale buyers.
Forklifts organize the pallets with coordinated precision. The warehouse stands as the final checkpoint before distribution.
The warehouse stores thousands of pallets in climate-stable conditions.
Forklifts transfer each pallet into temperature-controlled transport trucks. Once filled, the transport doors close and seal the shipment. The popcorn factory meets international environmental and recycling standards. A fleet of trucks departs the factory, beginning their delivery routes. High-volume distribution ensures constant supply across the country. The popcorn travels across long highways toward distribution centers. Distribution centers receive the pallets for further sorting.
Here, workers organize the finished product for market display.
Retail stores receive shipments daily to keep shelves fully stocked.
The popcorn is now placed on shelves for customers to enjoy.
Each pack represents a journey from cornfield to consumer.
Shoppers choose their favorite flavors and take them home.
This final form is the result of countless precise processes working in harmony.
Even the crunch is measured, ensuring the signature popcorn sound.
Behind every bag lies a world of engineering, craftsmanship, and dedication. From seed to snack, this is the journey of popcorn.
Here, every element of the product is tested, from kernels to finished popcorn.